A luxury recreational vehicle with supercar DNA. The Lamborghini Motorhome, 2026. The innovative recreational vehicle, the Lamborghini Motorhome, is scheduled for introduction in 2026. It combines the comfort and functionality of a luxury motorhome with the distinctive style and performance of the Italian supercar manufacturer. The features and the structure. The appearance of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is sleek and aerodynamic, with a prominent front grille inspired by Lamborghini with LED headlights and other amenities. High-end leather furnishings adorn the cabin's interior, which also features a spacious living space with a convertible dinette, a fully functional kitchen, and an exquisite bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. The RV is 25 feet long and 12 feet tall, providing enough capacity for passengers and cargo. Capabilities and effectiveness, respectively. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is powered by a 6.0-liter 512 diesel engine. This engine can generate 1,000 pound-feet of torque and 900 horsepower. An automatic powertrain with 8 speeds and a manual shift position is fitted to the mobile home. Fuel efficiency, a combined mileage of 10 to 15 miles per gallon, is predicted for the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Technology and human safety. The RV has a number of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and more are examples of these ADAS. Infotainment. The motorhome's infotainment system has a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with navigation capabilities, a high-end audio system with 20 speakers, and connectivity to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The price as well as availability. It is projected that the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 will start at around $1 million, with costs rising in line with the level of personalization and optional features chosen. Accessibility. It is projected that the motorhome will be available in several global regions, with delivery starting in the second half of 2026. To sum up, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a revolutionary luxury recreational vehicle, RV, that combines the comfort and usefulness of a motorhome with the performance and style of a supercar.